So yeah, let's do a quick little balance around feeling freedom, around feeling whole, around feeling alive on this beautiful planet of ours and able to imagine what the world is going to be like once we get out of this craziness again. So, okay, so take a deep breath. Breathe in goodness, breathe out evil. Binding the evil on the planet. Make it unavailable to move, binding, binding, binding. Put all the evil aside. Okay, so run that central meridian anti-clockwise over the heart. Helps to connect left, right, up, down, front, back, sides of the brain. Central, increase that energy to the frontal cortex, our problem-solving areas, our areas associated with thinking, problem-solving, reading between the lines, looking through information, finding the facts. Okay. So firstly, closing your eyes and imagining the worst case scenario of your freedom disappearing. What is that to you? What is that to you? Imagine being in one place for the rest of your life. Not being able to move, not being able to hug, not being able to speak to people you love. Because all those communication methods have disappeared. Take a moment to breathe. How big was that energy? How awful did that feel? Where was that for you? I felt sick in the pit of my stomach. I felt a little sweaty on my palms. My nervous system activated. My fight and flight must have got going. Does not like that thought. A little less harsh. Imagine everywhere you go, people cannot see your face. Imagine the distancing, not being able to breathe, not being able to hug, not being able to show someone you love, not being able to understand easily because of the masks, not being able to go anywhere you want without registering, your government knowing exactly where you are at all times. Where do you feel that one? Feels like that one just makes my brain hurt. Doesn't like that at all. Feel tightness in the rear of my neck. Okay, once again, increase energy to the frontal cortex, to your problem-solving area, anti-clockwise over the heart. Oh, hello, little fella. 2 fingers on the ESR points, allowing that energy to come to your logical, creative thinking parts of the brain, the part of the brain that wants to find solutions. Pain and punishment circuit. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. We're all people on the planet. We're all part of humanity. We all deserve our freedom. We deserve our loved ones to be with us when we choose our loved ones to be with us. We deserve to trust our immune systems. We deserve to trust our bodies. And breathe. longer one coming soon. It's been a crazy day.